We have already seen that adding heat to a matter causes its atoms to vibrate more and more. As these atoms vibrate, distance between them increases, and as a result, size or volume of matter increases. Most of solid, liquid, and gas expand on addition of heat. Solid expands less compared to liquid and liquid expand less compared to gas. Let's see few phenomenon where expansion or shrinkage takes place due to heat. Expansion and shrinkage in solid. Rail lines are made of iron rails. If you observe closely, you will see some space between two consecutive rails. This space becomes helpful during summer. Due to high heat, rail expands and the space gets occupied. If the space is not left between rails, due to expansion, rails will bend and can cause derailment of train. You must have seen the electric wire hanging between two poles. During summer these wires expand due to heat and becomes loose, but during winter these wires shrink and become tight again. Expansion or shrinkage in liquid. Liquid also expand on heating. We measure liquid by its volume. On heating, volume of liquid increases, whereas on cooling, its volume decreases. Liquid expand on an average 10 times more than solid. Expansion or shrinkage in gas. Gases expand most on heating. When gas is heated, all the heat energy get converted to kinetic energy of gas particles, or in other words, it increases the speed of gas particles. Due to high speed, density of gas particles at a place decreases. This is also understood as gas becomes lighter when it is heated. In coastal areas such as Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, etc., during daytime, sea breeze flows from sea to land, and during night it flows from land to sea. Before finding the reason behind this, let's understand a fact about heat. If a thing takes more time to heat, it will take more time to cool. For example, water takes more time to become hot compared to land, and it also takes more time to cool down compared to land. During daytime, land gets heated fast and so the air around it. As air becomes hot, it becomes less dense and leaves space to be filled by colder air. Since air around seawater remains cooler, it moves towards land and fills the space left by hot air. Thus air or breeze flows from sea to land. During night time, land cools faster and air near the land becomes dense, whereas water cools slowly and air around sea remains hot and less dense. Space between this hot air is filled by cool air from land, and thus breeze flows from land to sea.